Introducing Preact's eLearning Academy for Microsoft Dynamics 365. Our training platform provides on-demand resources available free to all Preact managed service clients. Use the eLearning Academy to watch, learn and practice Dynamics 365 in a safe environment. Quickly get new team members up to speed and empower existing users to increase their Dynamics knowledge. It's the perfect way to learn more about the application and keep up to date as new features are released. Work through engaging courses led by our Microsoft accredited trainers. Modules are available covering a range of popular Dynamics topics, including navigating the Dynamics user interface, working with accounts and contacts, using the sales and customer service applications to manage opportunities and cases, and administrator training. Online training can be a passive experience, just reading pages and pages of information or watching presentations. This often results in reduced attentiveness and a slow pace of learning. Preact promotes active learning, and that's why we've built practice sessions into each module. Watch narrated videos and then practice by following step-by-step guided simulations in a safe environment. Our aim is to help users build confidence by allowing learning points to be tested with freedom to make mistakes without consequences to your live system. We want to empower users to do more with Dynamics 365. Our eLearning Academy is freely available as part of Preact's managed service. This also includes access to support and consultancy services, as well as packaged solutions from our product catalogue, helping organisations to make continuous improvements through Dynamics 365. Study from home, in the office or on the go. The eLearning Academy quickly fills gaps in Dynamics use knowledge, and with new content being added each month, it also helps users keep their skills up to date. Contact us today to find out more and activate your eLearning account.